welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you stopped by. Today, I'm taking you through a simple and beautiful formal living room refresh using the colors yellow and emerald green. Such a vibrant and elegant combination. So grab a drink, get comfy, and let's jump into this transformation. One of the easiest ways to change the mood of a room is by updating the wall art. I decided to switch out the previous artwork for this stunning new piece right above the couch. It features soft abstract textures with hints of black and gold running through it. It adds just the right amount of luxury and color without overpowering the space. The yellow accents creating a cohesive and intentional look. When choosing wall art, always consider how the colors and patterns will complement your overall theme. And I just love how this new piece brightens up the room while still keeping it formal and polished. The main color scheme in this formal living room is yellow and emerald green. Yellow brings that warmth and cheerfulness, while emerald green grounds the space with a rich, luxurious feel. To bring in more of those tones, I added a few emerald green and yellow throw pillows to the sofa. If you're working with a neutral base like white or cream furniture, adding pops of color through textiles is a simple way to refresh without replacing major pieces. These color accents not only liven the space, but also help tie the whole design together. On the coffee table, I DIY a charming and calming centerpiece using some yellow tulips, a candle, and some moss, which adds a natural element and ties in the emerald green from the rest of the room. It's an easy and budget-friendly centerpiece idea, and it adds that finishing touch to the table without being too busy or distracting. Just a few thoughtful changes like updating the wall art, adding a standout gold vase, and creating a candle and moss centerpiece can totally elevate your formal living room. The yellow and emerald green color scheme feels fresh, elegant, and so inviting. Now let's talk about this beautiful gold vase. I placed it right next to the couch against the wall, and wow, what a statement it makes. The metallic finish adds elegance and a bit of glam to the space. This gold vase reflects light beautifully, especially during the day, and really balances out the overall formal look. It's such a simple addition, but it makes a big difference. Ephias. I really hope you enjoyed today's refresh and got some inspiration for your own space. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with someone who loves home decor as much as we do. And of course, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave me a comment below and let me know which part of the decor was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you.